I'd like to tell you about AI Notebooks, the main benefit you get as a Video Notebook subscriber. Non-subscribers get a small taste of AI Notebooks, just one AI Notebook with a maximum of 5 videos. Subscribers to the Student and Pro plans get many more AI Notebooks and unlimited videos in each notebook. In your Video Notebook web app, app.videonotebook.com, an AI Notebook has a lot of great features. First, note that AI Notebooks are differentiated on the left column right here. Let's check out the individual videos in an AI notebook. Right now, this video is selected. I can click on another one, like this Andrew Nig video, and I see on the right that we have generated automatically a set of slides and also text notes. This is a way I can browse the video before watching it, and I can start from any point. I don't have to start from the beginning playing the video here. I can just hop around kind of non-linearly, and I say I want to watch that part of the videos first. I can click
With
there.
the agentic workflows, we can go to AI Assistant
I can
and
start
ask
the video
it
right
to
at
please
that point. I can also do a search and find, let's see, agent, and find all points in the video that pertain to that term, both in the notes and in the captions. So, you no longer need to watch a long lecture video from beginning to end. Watch what you want, when you want. If you click on the notebook name in the left column, which I'll do now, you get these tabs across the top. These are special AI features. The first one I'll talk about is AI Assistant. So, I can ask a question, like what is the difference between Codex and Claude Code? And I'll get this answer. And what's interesting is it's just like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, except that it's taking the answers only from the videos themselves. It's not grabbing answers from random internet sources. So you'll get what the lecturer said, not what's found on the internet generally. And notice also that we have these different screenshots, slides, and links. I can click on one of these, and I can go right to that point in the video.
Workflow, but
I can go to the right to that point in the video and see in context what the answer is. We also give you many ways to quiz yourself. So if I go back to AI Assistant, I can click on multi-choice quiz, and I'm just going to randomly click different answers here. Ten question quiz here, and I get immediate feedback. And because this was random, I only got 4 out of 10. But interestingly, it tells me why my answer was incorrect, and even gives me a link into the video so I can see where the right answer is. I can also take a short answer quiz, same thing. I get immediate feedback, I get immediate grade, and then I could use flashcards as well to test my knowledge of the topic. And I could show the answer and go from one to the next. You can add YouTube videos in your web app by clicking Add Video. So right underneath the notebook name, I can click Add Video. And I can paste a YouTube URL in here. This is just for this tab is just for YouTube. So I can paste a YouTube link, or I could paste a playlist link in here, or I could click all videos. And with all videos, it instructs me how to use the Video Notebook Chrome extension. And I can add videos from many different websites, not just YouTube. And here's the button for Install Chrome extension. Here's a udemy.com page with a video on it. And if I start playing this video, I have the sound turned off, you'll see this VN icon on the upper right. I can click on this, and lo and behold, it just already started grabbing images. So we have slide capture turned on. But I can, at any point, click Add to VN, which I'll do here. And it'll add this to, and I just added another slide as well. So it's added to VN, and I'll pause this video now. So this is the extension. I've added it to VN. I can go back and look at it in the web app at app.videonotebook.com. I can also add my own notes. I could add my own screenshots as I'm watching this video, and it adds the time stamps automatically. Finally, back to the web app. I'll tell you about some handy non-AI features available only to subscribers, export and sharing. With export, as you see here in this menu here, I can generate a file that has this view, including all my notes, in a PDF file or a Markdown file. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. Also, with sharing, there's two different levels of sharing. I can share just this video right here, and I could share a link or share these different platforms, or I could share via email. But most interesting, I think, to me, is I can share the entire notebook. And so you'll see exactly what you see here, and I can send it to anybody. They don't have to be a member of Video Notebook. And I can send them via a link or Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or email. So there you have it. You get so much more if you subscribe to Video Notebook. Try it out today. Video Notebook, your personal AI tutor for video learning.